On the right track. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, on the right track. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you in expressing your thoughts more clearly and effectively. So, let's get started and find out what it means to be on the right track. The phrase, on the right track, is an idiom in English that means being in a position or following a course of action that is likely to lead to success or the desired outcome. It's often used to encourage someone or acknowledge that they are proceeding correctly towards achieving their goals. The origin of this phrase is believed to be related to the railroads, where being on the right track literally means being on the correct railway line to reach a particular destination. Using on the right track in conversation or writing is quite simple. It's typically used as a statement of reassurance or affirmation. For example, encouragement, you're really on the right track with your English studies. Your improvements are noticeable. Affirmation, the project seems to be on the right track. All the initial results are positive. Self-assessment, I think I'm on the right track with this recipe. It tastes just like how Grandma used to make it. Remember, this phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, from academic and professional settings to personal and casual conversations. To better understand how to use on the right track, let's look at some examples. 1. After reviewing your progress report, I believe you are on the right track to graduate with honors. 2. The detective believed he was on the right track when he found the crucial piece of evidence. 3. If you feel better after changing your diet, then you're probably on the right track, the doctor said. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to different situations, emphasizing progress, correctness, or the pursuit of a positive outcome. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, on the right track. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your daily communication. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and you're definitely on the right track by expanding your understanding and use of idiomatic expressions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.